Before we delve into how to create an application in Five, let me give you a quick run through the Five platform so you can navigate your way around with ease. Along the top of the view, you have access to Five's menu. As a standalone user, at this level, only Applications is available in the menu. Each view in Five comprises of a list and a form. To access a form, to add a new record, click the Add Item button in the List app bar above the list. And as soon as you start editing a form, the Save button becomes available for you to save your editing. Each saved application record will be listed in the list and have the Run button available in the toolbar for you to run your application at any time. This application will open in a new tab and you can check your development. A saved record will also have the Manage button available in the Form app bar. This will navigate you to Five's main menu. Now that we have drilled down from our selected application, you can see across the top here you now have access to more menu items. Each menu item will open up a set of submenus. The visual menu holds everything you need to create the visual elements of your application. As you can see, we have features here like forms, charts, dashboards, etc. The logic menu holds everything you need to add functionality to your application. The data menu holds everything for you to interact with your database. The task menu allows you to set up automated processes and procedures. The setup menu holds everything to set up your application, such as creating themes and roles for user logins. And the tools menu holds all the tools that will aid you to analyze, search and track code changes. If I go back to the data menu and select databases, you can see Five has already created the database for us. Five does this automatically on saving an application record. If I select Tables from the data menu, you can see a list of tables that we are going to create for our application. Clicking on the Add Item button will give you access to the table form to add a new table. Forms in Five are divided across pages. You can see here for the book record, there are tabs here to take us to each page. On the table form, we have a general tab to name our table. Then we can move along to the Events tab, the Fields tab, and the Indices tab. This gives you everything required to add a new table to your database. Five also has a number of wizards that give you a faster and easier alternative way when creating your application. When a wizard is available in a view, you will have the New Wizard button in the List app bar. This will open the wizard. So you can see at this level we have a table wizard. Five also has a number of editors to help you build out your application without having to use external parties. If I select the data menu item again and then the database modeler, this gives us a visual way to build tables for our database. In the visual menu, if I was to create a query, we have a Table and Fields Designer. This enables you to query your database by point and click. We can select tables and fields to query from our database. If you prefer to code, you simply click the SQL tab and you have access to our inbuilt SQL editor, where you can even run your results to check. We also have a code editor located in the Logic menu, where you can be working on several code blocks at one time. Right now, I'm opening several functions that I have written in the Book Club application, and I am able to move through each of these functions to work or view them. Now that you have a basic understanding of the Five platform, let's take a look at the application you will be building in Five.